City Videos here, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm showing you my morning hair routine, which my hair is already in these twists or braids, as you can see, and yeah, you can see braids, not twists. I had a problem uploading this, so I'm re-recording the voiceover, so everything's already edited. But hey, we're gonna start with this curly Chic. And this is a gel. It's your curls to find. I'll show you in a second what it looks like. Like, legit, it's a gel. I'm putting this on my fingers. You can see the gel. I'm putting this on my fingers, and you'll see in a second I'm going to grab some Eco Gel. The one I'm using is an olive oil, but I usually use the yellow one. I don't even know what it's called. But I put this on my fingers while I take out the twists and detangle it, and this really helps define my curls. I'm putting on some leave-in conditioner, coconut oil. Yeah, I use leave-in conditioner even when I'm not in the shower because it helps moisturize my hair. So my hair is special, you know, it gotta take what it gotta take. But I'm putting this leave-in cream by African Pride. I'm putting that leave-in cream in, and it acts as a moisturizer. I love this cream. Do not be afraid if your hair is like me, and it's either high peroxide or low peroxide, I forgot. But if your hair is like mine, and it takes a lot of products to keep it moisturize throughout the day, but not like, you know, over moisturize, then just use this. Also, I'm talking to the camera, but hey. The next thing I'm using is this curl clump thing. It's for anti-shrinkage, and it really, after putting this on, I was at the beach all day in hot weather, and my hair did not shrink. And it might have just been the humidity, because usually I'm California, but I was on the East Coast. And so my hair did not shrink at all while using this. So I highly recommend that product. I am just going to show you guys me taking out the rest. All of this routine is the same for every twist, except for, you know, like I just, you know, I do this per section. The back looks a little stringy, but I ended up going back through it. So here's some footage from the night before. You can see, yeah, I pre-recorded this, but it had better lighting, so I decided to put it in the video anyways, so you're welcome. But yeah, I'm just taking a comb afterwards. I finger detangle, then I go and I brush through it with the comb, and I just do this for every section. So I'll let you guys sit back and watch me do it, I guess. Hi, me again. My little cousin's in the background putting on extra products in the back of my hair for no reason, but since I was visiting out there, I just let her have her fun. She's not putting on too much extra, so it's not like actually affecting my hair, but she, you know, was having her fun. So if you see her in the background touching my hair and holding products, she was only putting a little bit in. I just sprayed the leave-in conditioner all over my hair one last time so that it would really just lock in that moisture. I'm about to style it. Oh yeah, shout out to the Roxy tour. Love you, Khalid. Yeah, I'm about to style it. So these two, I didn't take out two of the sections on my head. I had about 8 in to start it with, but I'm just twisting them into like little Bantu knot buns almost, you know. I'm just twisting them around and sealing them down with a rubber band, and I am gonna do that same thing for the other side. I take this one out because I don't think it looked right, so you see me like shake, like, yeah, no, so I took it out and redid it, and this is what my hair looks like, guys. Look at that length, you know, growth. Not as long as I want it to be yet, but we're getting there. We are getting there. So thank you all so much for watching. City Videos is out. Bye!